Hi everyone, welcome to DMR tutorials. In this capsule, let us discuss about rational numbers and particularly the introduction to the rational numbers. First, let us see what are the rational numbers. A number that can be expressed in the form of P by Q. A number that can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers where P and Q are integers and Q should not be equal to 0. Then that number is called a rational number. So rational number is a number that can be expressed in the form of P by Q. P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0, and that particular number is called as a rational number. For example, first number in the example I have given is 7 by 5. 7 is an integer, 5 is also an integer. So 7 by 5 is a rational number. At the same time, minus 3 by 7. Minus 3 is an integer, 7 is also another integer. So minus 3 by 7 is a rational number. So this is the positive rational number, this is the negative rational number. In the denominator, there should not be 0. In the denominator, there should not be 0. Okay, this is about the information about the rational numbers. Now, next thing is what do you mean by lowest term of a rational number? Rational number has two parts, numerator, denominator. If there is no common factor for the numerator and denominator, the rational number itself is the lowest term. If there are common factors, then you have to cancel the common factors and the remaining will be the lowest form of the rational number. For example, 10 is an integer, 11 is an integer, but there are no common factors between 10 and 11 except 1. So 10 by 11 is a rational number and itself is its lowest form also. 10 by 11 is a rational number and itself is the lowest form. Let us take another example. Ten by 15. Definitely there are common factors between 10 and 15. So first of all, what you have to do is, let us prime factorize the numerator and prime factorize the denominator. So let us prime factorize 10 first. Let's start with 2. 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. So the prime factors of 10 are 2 and 5. So 10 will be 2 into 5. Now take the prime factors of 15, the denominator. Start with 3. 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. So the prime factors of 15 are 3 and 5. So 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Let us cancel the like terms. 5 gets cancelled and the remaining is 2 by 3. And 2 by 3 is the lowest form of 10 by 15. 2 by 3 is the lowest form of 10 by 15. So whatever the rational number they have given to you, first you need to take the prime factorization of numerator and prime factorize the denominator, cancel the like terms, and the remaining is its lowest form. This is about the lowest form or lowest terms of the rational number. Next. Now the topic is equality of rational numbers. When do you say two rational numbers are equal? Let us discuss now. First of all, P by Q is a rational number. And R by S is another rational number. So I have taken two rational numbers, P by Q, R by S. P by Q is a rational number. So P and Q are integers. R by S is a rational number. That means R and S are also rational numbers. So Q is not equal to 0. S is also not equal to 0. Now take P by Q and R by S. Take the cross multiplication. You will be getting P into S and Q into R. And taking cross multiplication, you will get PS QR. If PS is equal to QR, if PS is equal to QR, then if PS is equal to QR, then P by Q is equal to R by S. So if you want to find whether two rational numbers are equal or not, first write side by side, take cross multiplication, and if you are getting PS is equal to QR like, then the rational numbers are equal. Otherwise they are not equal. Otherwise they are not equal. So this is the equality of rational numbers. Let us see one example. Now let us check whether these two rational numbers are equal or not. For that, first you have to take the cross multiplication. First is 2 into 15 and 5 into 6. 2 15s are 30. 6 5s are also 30. So you got equality. Since these two are equal, then these two are also equal. Therefore, 2 by 5 is equal to 6 by 15. So, by taking cross multiplication, we can verify whether the given fractions are equal or not. This is about the equality of rational numbers. Now, next thing is like rational numbers and unlike rational numbers. Like rational numbers and unlike rational numbers. First of all, let us see what are the like rational numbers. Let us take two or more rational numbers. If all the rational numbers have the same denominator, then they are called as like rational numbers. If the denominators are not same, you can say they are the unlike rational numbers.